Welcome back to the channel, you kooks. It's been a while. We've been gone. We've been very busy, and we're back. The van is basically done. I know we haven't put up much videos, but we've been so busy on the van grind that we haven't had a chance. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, last time it was raining.
We got the rat dogs. And we just went out to New Mexico and we managed to kill our Subaru engine. So here it is. It had to get towed twice, so you got to get that AAA Premier card because we had to get two 200-mile tows. And here it is. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it, but it's gonna need a new engine, so we're gonna be doing all that in the next few months. We're not gonna do it. We'll take it somewhere and get it done. And the van is looking beautiful. It's all wrapped up and finished. And we'll have a van tour coming soon. And yeah, it's coming together.
Projects on projects on projects. This is going to be a new project.
And here's the van. It looks great. It's all finished. It's gonna go away today. The lady's gonna come pick it up. And we got a mattress. We're gonna show you the best mattress to use for van life. It just showed up, so we're gonna unwrap this mattress, throw it in the van, get all the finishing touches on. Lots going on here at Vankookz Customs, and I figured we'd just fill you guys in with what's going on. We've been gone for over a month. We got the cats. We got some Lively tools and chainsaws we need to review. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot more content coming the next few months. We're gonna try our hardest to be better YouTubers. And we also have school, so Danny's doing her master's program.
I'm in my second year of my human clinical nutrition program, and I think we're gonna do a spin-off channel of just health stuff for the health kooks out there. So look out for it.
Yeah, so look out for that. We'll even share with you a meal we've cooked here. We have a nice kitchen set up. Let's just get into some fun, exciting finishing up this van and saying bye to it today. So it's never not a Vankookz episode without some food here. So I got some purple sweet potatoes, some eggs, some mushrooms, greens, and the veggies, and you know we're eating good.
Mushrooms, lion's mane mushrooms, not just any mushrooms.
There you go, even more gourmet. And we're just gonna relax here and enjoy our view of our beautiful kitchen. All right, so it's the final countdown. The van's literally gonna be getting picked up in about 30 minutes. I just wanna show you guys what the van looks like, give you a sneak peek. Danny's taking open house photos because once it's gone, and we won't be able to create any more content or anything for our website. So we're just on a video binge today. So here we are, finished product. Looks really nice.
We just got the mattress in, and we're stoked on the mattress from Mattress Insider.
Why don't you show them it?
Yeah, I really love it. So this is made in Colorado, made in the USA. So it is non-toxic, organic cotton, and it is made to size. So if you if you need a round bed for any reason, they will make it for you. You just tell them what you want. This tapers towards the back, and it also has some cutouts in the back. So we needed it to be bigger in the front and smaller in the back because, you know, van life, it curves and does all this weird stuff, but Mattress Insider makes it easy. You just measure, draw a nice little picture, they confirm it with you, and then it shows up on your doorstep, and you just unwrap and get adventuring.
We got the floor in. We just basically threw down some plywood. She wanted to distress or do some type of paint to the floor. She just wanted basic plywood, so this is a 1/2-inch sheet of plywood, and we used the floor as a template and just cut it and laid it down on there. So that's how we got the floor. And then we have the couch here. It looks really nice. It has tons of storage there, storage behind the back. Lots of space, lots and lots of space to store stuff in this van. We got the 2 AC outlets. And she wanted a wardrobe, full-size wardrobe for her adventure stuff, so we got that. And she's got a nice desk here, so when she's sitting at her couch, she can even store her laptop in there. And yeah, we just had a great time building this van. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a little sneak peek, a little more footage of the van, some upper cabinets. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep up with the Vankookz building. We'll have more and more posting. It's a lot of video editing for us to do while we're in school. We're really hustling. We're trying to make it happen. We're trying to have more content for you Kookz. So like and subscribe, and please share with a friend, and check out the vankookz.com website and sign up for that masterclass, guys. We're getting a lot of signups, so it's hopefully we can bust this out and get it done in a month. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.
Peace out.
Bye. Oh, that's kind of sad. Kind of sad right now.
Whoa, it's gone.
It's gone. Ah, what are we gonna do now? Help, help, send us a van. We don't know what to do with our lives.